Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing about a few apps that are almost game changer for any tablet, whether it is an iPad or an Android tablet. Especially if you are a student, these are the must-have apps. So the top of my list begins with an app that is my go-to, and the app that I'm talking about is called Onenote. Onenote lets you create notebooks for different topics, with each notebook featuring any number of sections and unlimited pages. Of course, there are other note-taking apps on the market, many of them free as well, but none comes close to the price to performance ratio that Onenote provides. So let me show you guys how I use it for my daily university tasks. I can start here with any notebook first. For example, let's create YouTube. Then opening it up can take us to sections like the chapters in a book. Let's call it products researching, scripting, shooting, and editing. Now we can open this section and get access to all the pages inside the chapters. You can even create a subpage and another subpage below that. There is also an infinite vertical scroll provided if you are curious about that. The second app in my list is called Todoist. I basically use this app as a reminder and task manager. Basically, I tend to just plan ahead about what tasks are coming on. So like today, I organized my assignment for cost accounting, scanned the third assignment and submit to the professor, and also some smaller stuffs. You can also create projects if you want. Like here, if you see, I have created that is personal, home, and university. If you like arranging more stuffs, then you might have some more projects than mine. You also get labels as well. So if you wanted to create like a duration on it, so you might choose 20 minutes per task and something like that. I often tend to forget smaller stuffs, and this app has helped me a lot. And the reason I choose it over other app is because of this awesome widget over here. You get to customize the whole appearance of the widget, whether that might be transparency or color themes or compactness. But the most obvious reason is the seamless integration between macOS, iOS, Android, and Windows. This is absolutely awesome to have the convenience to add tasks on the Todoist using your Android phone and edit it back in the Mac at your desk. Now another app in my list is Pomodoro Timers app. Pomodoro is an Italian word for tomato. So the idea behind this app is that you work or study or whatever for 25 minutes and then you take a break for 5 minutes. And you repeat this process for 4 times and take a 30 minutes long break at the end. During my university offline classes, we used to basically gather together for some task with my friends, and then one of us used to start the timer with a knock on the desk. This means that everyone can now start the task, and once the timer hits 25 minutes mark, then there was another knock on the desk and everyone's like relaxed and talking with each other, and again there was a double knock on the desk and all of us would be notified about the second session timer being started. So the app that I use for this is called Forest. So what Forest actually does is that you plant a tree and the tree grows, but if you go off the app on your phone, then the tree dies. So the general concept here is forcing yourself to not go off your phone while studying, and I have found that to be very useful for me. Now the most interesting app that I came across for Android tablet is called Shodo. I hope that I pronounced it correct. Now the thing about this app is that it lets you edit, view, and annotate PDFs. I use this app almost every time. Whenever I get across my new book, I love to annotate and bookmark and save it for later. That's where Shodo comes in. It lets you do all of that, and on top of it, its zoom in feature helps you in reading perfectly. It works great with the page turner foot pedal. Plus, all of my files and documents are right there to switch from one page to another. Shodo is also available everywhere from your phone to desktop version. All work smooth and great. The appearance here is so minimal and simple, along with the capacity to open multiple PDFs at once for annotation. On top of that, it is also a free product. This is absolutely ridiculous, guys. You have to definitely check out this app. So these were the apps that I wanted to share with you guys. I want to get the feedback from you guys on what other apps that I'm missing out on. Do you guys use these same apps for your productivity system? Just discuss down in the comments below. See you guys soon in the next one.